my fellow interns. Thank you for the cooperation, sa memories, sa bonding, and everything. Yun lang.
Okay, so happy day. Okay, so magka-copy paste tayo. So again, hello everyone. My name is Jessie James Alawas, one of your English teacher intern. So first of all, I want to thank all of the teachers, students, and faculties of Taluis International High School for warmly welcoming us into your school. And then for our teachers, I want to thank you for guiding us and for being there for us to ask help from. And then for my dear students, grade 10A and B, so far, ang bait-bait ko, no? For grade 10 and B, wala naman akong masabi. They are even doing their jobs well. Yung others lang. So, I want to congratulate all grade 10 students. Congratulations for making it this far. And may you do better in the future. So, that's it. Thank you so much.
Ay!
Again, Ilocano ako niya, talumawat ang taramin. So, di mo na may bagakot. Iti panagyaman ko, ito yung eskwelahan, iti warm welcome da kanyami. Headed by Sir Gabriel Balangay, sa ating mga butihing guro, mga gwapo at magandang guro. Maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap ninyo sa amin sa paaralang ito. Na kung saan dito rin po ako nag-aral ng junior high school and senior high school. And I am proud to say that I am a product of Taluis International High School. To my cooperating teacher, mga May Lagwan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga aral na pinahagi mo po sa akin bilang isang nagsasanay na guro. Katulad rin po kay Ma'am Rosemary, kasi awan mag-isong na. Maraming salamat rin po sa kanya dahil may saison na kami nga cooperating teacher. Sa mga naging estudyante ko, 9A at 10A, tapos sa 10B na naging advisory class ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. Bakit? Kasi dito ko nalaman na ganito